From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if you could step out of the shower and onto a cloud, feeling the softness and warmth beneath your feet? That's exactly what the ZALL 10 Waffle Bath Mat offers. This innovative bath mat is designed to provide the ultimate comfort and safety experience in your bathroom. With its upgraded waffle design, this mat is not only visually appealing but also incredibly durable, featuring heavier and thicker lines that ensure the pattern remains solid and compact. The super absorbent double-layer deep waffle texture instantly absorbs water, making the floor more breathable and reducing the risk of slipping, while the high-density microfiber fabric keeps your feet warm and dry. The non-slip back mat features a hot melt adhesive backing, ensuring stability and safety, giving you peace of mind when stepping out of the tub or shower. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its exceptional quality and performance. The three-dimensional waffle design combined with flexible yarn provides a comfortable feeling under your feet, making it perfect for daily use. In real-life use, this mat has proven to be a game-changer, providing a warm and cozy surface to step onto after a bath, and its easy maintenance makes it a practical choice, as it's machine washable with cold water and mild detergent. Overall, the ZALL 10 Waffle Bath Mat is a great choice for anyone looking to elevate their bathroom experience, providing a comfortable, safe, and stylish solution that outshines other bath mats on the market, so why not give it a try and experience the difference for yourself. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.